Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make someone manager in your YouTube from Android phone or smartphone. So you can see you need to go your YouTube studio. You have to download it from Google Play Store, Apple Store. Then you can see the option, its profile, right top corner on your screen. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see the option settings. Simply tap on your settings. Then you can see the permission, your channel permission. Once you tap here, then you will see on owner. So you need to click here, invite. Then you have to give that to whom you are going to make the manager. You have to give input his or her email here, for example, like this, and then choose, like you are going to choose manager. So simply choose and send invitation. When that person accept your invitation, then that person will be added as a manager of your channel. So okay, friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.